Hello students, today we are going to discuss our next topic, that is the groundwater resources from the chapter water resources. Already we had discussed the water resources of India as well as we have discussed the surface water resources of India. As we said that we can divide the water resources into generally two parts. One is the surface water resources, another one is the groundwater resources. Our today's topic of discussion is groundwater resources. The total groundwater means actually the water that is available inside the earth's surface. The total replenishable groundwater resource in India is 3432 cubic kilometer. The level of the groundwater utilization is relatively high in the river basin line northwestern regions, part of the South India, because in South India or the northwestern India, the river basins are not perennial or the water amount is not good. That's why they are using more amount of the groundwater. The states like Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, they are utilizing very high amount groundwater every year. In this regard, I want to tell you the Ganga and the Brahmaputra basin have almost 60% of the total replenishable groundwater resources, and the level of the groundwater resource is it's relatively high, like I said, in the northwestern region as well as the parts of the South India. And you need to remember the name of the states, which states are using high amount of the groundwater resources, like Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, and Tamil Nadu. However, the states like Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Kerala, they utilized a small proportion of the groundwater. The states like Chhattisgarh, Odisha, and Kerala, they are utilizing very less amount of the groundwater. Even the states like Gujarat, UP, Bihar, Tripura, Maharashtra, they are utilizing their groundwater resources at a moderate rate. Now, in case of the states like which I had discussed, the states like your Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, their groundwater resources utilization is very high because Punjab and Haryana is very famous for its agricultural production, so they need huge amount of the water for their agriculture. Rajasthan, the availability of the water rainfall is less, availability of the surface water is less, and Tamil Nadu also availability of the surface water is less. They are using high amount of the groundwater. But whereas the states Kerala, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, their surface water availability is high. That's why they are using a small proportion of the groundwater only. Now, the present demand for the water supply would need to the supplies, and such as the situation will be detrimental to the development and can cause the social upheaval and disruption, because this different level of the using of the groundwater or availability of the groundwater, that creates some problems also. Now, without this groundwater and surface water, we are having another type of the water resources, that is called the lagoons and the backwater. India having a very long coastline, and due to this coastline, that is like different states are located, like Kerala, Odisha, West Bengal, and all. Because of that, in the coastal areas, we are having the lagoons and the lakes, and this is also the source of the water. The states Odisha, West Bengal, Kerala have the vast surface water resources in these lagoons and lakes. This lagoons and lake is one of the major water surface water resources also. Although these waters are generally brackish, and it is used for the fishery and the irrigation purpose, and sometimes it is used for the paddy production, crops, and coconut production, and etc. Now, what is this lagoon? Actually, lagoon, in simple words, we are saying the saltwater lakes are called the lagoons. Lagoons are the shallow body of the water that is protected, usually that is a part of the ocean also, we can say, that is protected by the sandbars or the islands or the coral reefs. Lagoons, sometimes it is called the estuaries also, and we can see the lagoons in the bays. In case of the lagoon, we can talk about that Lake Chilika. It is also a saltwater lake. Generally, this is also the lagoon only. In Kerala also, we are having so many lagoons. Now, the backwaters. Backwaters, India is famous for the Kerala's backwaters. Backwaters are the network of the brackish lagoon or the brackish water, and they are located parallelly to the Arabian Sea and the coast of the Kerala in South India. And they are like interconnected with the canal rivers and the inlets. And actually, it is happened they are having no connection with the main water source, but sometimes due to the tidal effects and all, their water is coming in this areas. And these backwaters are also helped to for the navigation purpose, fishing purpose, and the cropping paddy and coconut plantation and all this purpose they are using. So this is the another source of the surface water, that is the backwater. And for today this much only. Thank you so much.